Hello everyone. Last week I used the By Your Side kit and I created an alternative card for you. I'm going to do another one today. For this card I'm using Best Friends Forever and that paw print. I think these are dogs. I know there are cats in there, but I don't think a cat's paw looks like that. I could be wrong. Who knows? Calypso Coral ink, and I have chosen the green card base. I've chosen, excuse me, the Calypso Coral piece, and you punch those two hearts out. Now save those two hearts because you can use those two hearts. I've chosen this dog to use, and this is where my sentiment is going. So this is going to be a fun, easy card. So I'm going to fold and burnish it. All right, this is going to go on at an angle like so. All right. And I'm kind of going around those. I'm going to put a little bit in that corner so I can get the edges of those stuck down. Now watch your corners. All right, I'm going to go up a little bit, and here is why. I'm going to put this guy on straight on like that, but with dimensionals. All right, this is going to go under him, and I needed space, so that's why I did that. All right, let me get my dimensionals. I have one up here that I have, the back fell off of it, so I've been kind of moving it around to save it, just for when I needed it, like today. All right, let me get my pieces on here, and I got to cut again. The card I made last week, I gave to my groomer because I took Ezzy to the groomer on Monday. She loved it. I have her trainer coming on Sunday to work with us, so this card will be for her. I usually give her one of my cards. She loves getting them, but I didn't have any pet ones, and I'm so excited with this kit. All right, let me put this on straight now. It's really hard when you have angled pieces, so you have to kind of watch the lines going across. So there's that. Now, this is going to go on here, and I am going to stamp it with my Calypso Coral. Okay. I'm going to, oh, you know what? I didn't treat this. Hold on. I need a scrap of paper. I didn't treat it to get, let me clean this. Hold on. The stamp has a film on it from processing, so I usually take my eraser, stamp eraser, and go over it. I don't clean it off, but it helps the stamp to grab the ink better and gives you a good impression. A little crooked, maybe not. Maybe it's just me. Who knows? All right. I'll move this out of the way. I'm going to put this on with dimensionals also, but I'm going to wave it around a little bit because I don't want it to take and smear. All right. There's that. And that one. And one more. There. I add a lot of dimensionals on my sentiments because I don't want them to cave in the middle, so to speak. When it runs through those post office machines, it will do that. And as long as I am keep it to just dimensionals, I'm usually pretty good. All right, now I'm going to move this down some, like so. And again, use your lines. Let's make sure that's up a little. Don't press down till you're ready, because then you can pick it up and kind of. All right, come on, one more. All right, got it. There we go. Much better. And there's today's idea. And I use that paw print to decorate the inside of the card and the envelope. And they've left a space here which is perfect for the paw print. I hope you enjoyed today's kit idea that Vicki and I are doing with collaboration. Make sure you jump over to her Facebook or YouTube page. I've linked it below to see what kit she is using. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.